Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman and Reserve Bank of India Governor Sanjay Malhotra co-chaired the BRICS Finance Ministers and Central Bank Governors meeting in Jaipur on August 12 to 13th, with the RBI Governor emphasizing the central bank's critical role in maintaining price and financial stability. Steel Authority of India Limited has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. The MOU was signed at SAIL Corporate Office in New Delhi. The partnership aims to strengthen the specialized capability development of SAIL executives in finance, accounts, costing, and commercial functions. A major accident occurred on the evening of 13 August 2026 in the under-construction tail race tunnel of the 444-megawatt Vishnugarh Pipalkoti hydroelectric project in Chamoli district, Uttarakhand. The incident took place between approximately 6:45 p.m. and 7:05 p.m. in the Mayapur Pipalkoti area. NTPC Limited has achieved a significant global recognition by winning 8 awards at the Brandon Hall Group HCM Human Capital Management Excellence Awards 2026. NTPC secured 5 gold, 1 silver, and 2 bronze medals, underscoring its strong focus on human resource management, leadership development, talent management, learning, employee well-being, and workforce transformation. Bharat Dynamics Limited has reported a blockbuster performance for the first quarter of FY 2026-27, Q1 FY 27. The company's standalone net profit surged to 1,188 crore rupees, registering a massive 547% year-on-year growth from 183 crore rupees in Q1 FY 26. The Defence PSU reported stellar revenue growth of 131% to 5,722 crore rupees compared to 2,479 crore rupees in the same quarter last year. NTPC Limited has invited bids through the government e-marketplace for the deployment of a mobile health clinic to deliver primary healthcare and maternal and child healthcare services for nearby project-affected villages of its Feroz Gandhi Unchahar Thermal Power Station in Raebareli, Uttar Pradesh. Employees of Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited came together for a vibrant Tiranga rally as part of the Independence Day celebrations under the Har Ghar Tiranga initiative. The special rally, led by MDL apprentices carrying the national flag, reflected the spirit of patriotism, unity, and camaraderie among the workforce. Dr. Ashok Kumar Panda, Chairman and Managing Director of Steel Authority of India Limited, visited Bhilai Steel Plant on 12 to 13 August 2026. During the visit, he inaugurated the Central Induction Program for Management Trainees Technical 2026 and Project Vihan, SAIL's enterprise-wide ERP modernization initiative. Bank of India has informed the stock exchanges about the outcome of its board meeting held today. The board of directors approved the raising of foreign currency funds through the establishment of a medium-term note program of up to $1 billion. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the Maharashtra Water Resources Regulatory Authority to promote technology-driven assessment of water resources. The collaboration will focus on using high-resolution satellite imaging and digital tools to support data-based water resource management and identify potential solutions.